Today, BJP National Executive began in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the concluding session on Sunday. It is the first national executive after Amit Shah took over as president for the second term. BJP National Executive passed a resolution unanimously on the rise of rural sector in India. Senior party leader Anant Kumar briefed the media on it.
ग्राम उदय से भारत उदय, यानी कि भारत का विकास होना चाहिए, देश का विकास होना चाहिए, वो गांव के विकास के बिना हो नहीं सकता। इसलिए पूरा इस बार का बजट का पूरा दिशा ग्रामीण विकास के बारे में रहा। इसका सराहना राष्ट्रीय कार्य समिति ने पुरजोर किया।
Anant Kumar said that BJP National Executive appreciated government's new urea policy. He said that this year there won't be any scarcity of urea in the country as the production of urea has been increased by 20 lakh metric ton.
मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हमने नई यूरिया पॉलिसी लाए, उससे पूरा भारत के सभी खाद कारखाने 120% कैपेसिटी में चल रही है और इसके कारण जो हमारे स्वदेशी उत्पादन है उसमें 20 लाख मीट्रिक टन ज्यादा यूरिया हम उत्पादन कर रहे हैं।
Earlier, addressing the National Executive meeting of BJP in New Delhi, Party President Amit Shah said that BJP is in favour of freedom of expression, but no anti-national activity can be tolerated in the name of freedom of expression. Party spokesperson and senior leader Ravi Shankar Prasad briefed the media on the meeting.
While the BJP fully respects the freedom of expression and also respects the right of anyone to criticize any leader, the party and the government, any criticism of the nation will not be tolerated. That is plainly not accepted. Patent anti-national activity cannot be given the color and justification on the plea of freedom of expression.
BJP President Amit Shah said that India's foreign policy and defence policy works in tandem, and global popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a world leader has propelled the success of India's foreign policy.
The global popularity and acceptance of Narendra Modi as a powerful world leader is propelling the success of India's foreign policy centered around the twin goals of trade and also India's prosperity. Our defense policy and foreign policy are working in tandem. हमारी सेना को इस बात के लिए पूरा अवसर अधिकार दिया गया है कि देश की सुरक्षा के लिए जो भी उचित कार्रवाई वो करे, सरकार उनके साथ है। लेकिन साथ ही हमने शांति का मार्ग छोड़ा नहीं है। भारत एक परिपक्व शांति की बात करने वाला देश भी है।